Hi, I'm Angelina Kirk, and I'm about to tell you all about President Reagan. He was the 40th president. Let's learn about his early childhood.
Things were gone. I'd worked for all my life, and I had to start again with just my children and my wife. I thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom.
President Reagan became an actor first? Let's see some of his movies.
We were going to run away. She'd been getting out to meet me for a long time. Do I need to say anything more?
And the sweetheart of them all, Bonnie Rockney, inspiring her...
You wouldn't get a uniform report to the scrubs.
Why?
Because I think you'd make a football player.
I doubt it.
Try it anyway.
All right, if you insist.
Now, wait a minute. What's your name?
Kip. George Kip. What's yours?
Rock. Someday when the team's up against it, breaks are beating the boys, ask them to go in there with all they've got. Win just one for the Kipper.
I was shocked to see he was a captain in the military, just like my dad. After his acting career, he entered politics, but president wasn't his first job.
And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free.
Being California's governor for 8 years, he set his eyes on becoming president, and in 1980 he won 44 states.
Stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA.
Then in 1984, when Mommy was 2, he ran again, and guess what? He won a second time with 49 states. Did you know the only state he lost? Minnesota.
To the hills of Tennessee, across the plains of Texas.
I thought that would be up on the screen.
Listening to Reagan's speeches. Here's some of my sad ones and my favorite. Tear down this wall, Mr. Gorbachev!
The crew of the Space Shuttle Challenger honored us for the manner in which they lived their lives. We will never forget them, nor the last time we saw them, this morning, as they prepared for their journey and waved goodbye, and slipped the surly bonds of earth to touch the face of God. Thank you.
Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall.
Do you think Reagan was a Christian and loved Jesus? See if this video tells you.
All the way. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish but have everlasting life. We all can recite it. He doesn't seem to be very proud of the flag anymore. And today, what I get in the mail and what I hear from people when I get out of Washington is that once again, they're proud to be Americans. And if I had anything to do with that, that's what I would be most proud of, that once again...
I hope you enjoyed my video on President Reagan. Here's his favorite song.
just my children and my wife. Thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the